Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've got another Coach Willis bag to share with you today. And this Willis bag actually isn't technically vintage yet. This bag was made in 2005, so it won't be considered vintage until it's at least 20 years old. So it'll be vintage in 2025. And anyway, the style number for Willis bags was 9927, and this specific bag, like I mentioned, was made in 2005 in China. And it's this beautiful navy blue color, and the bag is also in really nice condition. It looks like it was barely used. So I'll go ahead and show you more of the bag itself now. So as you can see, it comes with a top handle, and it's also got this detachable and adjustable crossbody strap. So here's where you can adjust it. And the crossbody strap attaches here to these top hardware pieces. So it's nice, you've got those two options. You can carry it by the top handle or just wear it as a crossbody bag. And it's also got the matching navy blue hang tag. So that's the front of the bag. It's also got a turn lock closure here, so this is how you would open the bag. And then here's what the sides look like. And here's, as you can see a little bit better, it does have a top dowel. And so that's the side, and then here's the back of the bag. And it's got a pretty large slip pocket here on the back. And then when we open the bag, it's got another large slip pocket here in the front, so lots of pockets. And then when we open the bag, here's what the interior looks like. And as you can see, it's got another pocket here that has a zip closure up top. That's in the very back of the bag. And then it's also got the Coach Creed. You can kind of see it on camera, but here's a close-up photo so you can see it better. So that's the Willis bag again, and it is available in our eBay store. Since it's not yet vintage, we can't technically sell it on Etsy yet, so I'll just leave it below in our eBay store. So if you wanted to check it out, the link will be in our description box. But otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you next time.